Budget has been tabled by the Minister of Finance, Godongwanas. It will see an increase within the fuel levy, but I are getting reactions. I'm just bringing in Mr. Nhlamulo Ndlela from the MK party. Just your response as that budget fuel levy has been increased. There's been some budget cuts on certain areas by the minister. As a party, where do you stand?
Well, this is actually an indictment against the poor. This budget is as absent as its president. The reality is that the mere fact that it increases the fuel levy is in actual fact a substitution for him having increased the VAT. So it's nothing else but a continuous debting our people, costing our people in the pocket, and effectively giving the rich a relief. And that's nothing else. I mean, this budget, it used to punish the poor and nothing else. So there's nothing that's been delivered by this minister. We've requested a minister we actually submitted a motion of censure that this minister be removed. This South Africans cannot continue to have.
Mr. Ndlela, just in last summary, as you as an MK party, VAT has not been increased. There was a decision that was ultimately taken. There seems to be consensus within the government of national unity on this particular fiscal framework and the budget as a whole. Are you impressed by it? Are you not?
Not at all. The fact that it's actually sitting at 15% is because of this administration. 15% is too high as it is. There is no jobs in this country. There is no productivity. There's no investment. We're still sitting with an austerity-based budget. How do you expect to grow your GDP if you're continuously cutting budgets? So what we're saying as Mkhonto party, we need to focus on bringing about stimulation and investment into the economy, double infrastructure investment, create jobs, let people be independent. That's how you grow and ensure that people are able to be self-sufficient. At this rate, when you're continuously cutting, you can't expect our people to continue to be living in this kind of state. And this is exactly what this budget is doing. It is perpetuating the state of the poor.